Hi, this is Pascal from Webiva, and I'm going to show you how to build a simple site inside of the system. So here we are logged into our Webiva.com dashboard. We're just going to click on Login on one of our individual sites, and then we're going to log in with our credentials into that individual website. So here we are in the dashboard for that individual website. What we're going to want to do is click on Website. That's going to take us to our site structure. Webiva tries to get out of your way when you're building a new site, but because we're just getting started with the system, we're going to take advantage of some wizards to kind of quickly build a site for us. So we're going to use the Set Up a Basic Site wizard, and we're just going to let it add in some pages for us. It's going to add in a menu, a framework, and a couple pages just to get us started with the system. Alright, so now you see we've got a couple extra pages here. If we click on a page, you'll see nothing spectacular, but we've at least got a little bit of a site to work with. If we jump back into our structure, if we want to, we can add a new page onto our site. Let's call it Details. And we can just jump in and edit that page if we wanted to. So let's say we want to say Details. Go here. We save changes. Jump to that site. You'll see we've got a new page here in the menu, and another page with some content. So I'll admit that site looks a little ugly, so let's use one of the pre-defined themes that we can get from Webiva.net. So you'll see we've already got one theme called Simple Site Theme. If we click on More Actions, we can import one of the Webiva.net themes. Right now we've only got a couple themes available, but we'll be adding more themes on a regular basis. Installing a theme is really easy. You just click on Install. If you click on Import, that'll actually download and import the bundle into the system. Now that that's imported, you'll see we've got a new theme called Super Design Theme. We could apply this to the site manually. We can also use that quick link, and that'll add it to the root of our site. So now if we jump into our site, you'll see it's got kind of a nice new theme added directly to it. Themes also support these things called page variables. In this case, we've got a couple, so it just lets us update our site name. So now we've got a different name up here. So let's say we want to add in some dynamic content into our site. What we can do is we can go over to Options Modules, activate the blog module. Now that that's activated, if we jump on over to Content, click More Actions, you'll see we can create a new blog in our site. Let's call it Site Blog. Site Blog. And let's just click Create Blog. It's going to run the wizard to actually add the blog to the site. So it'll add some comments, some categories, and some dummy posts. And there we go. We've got a new page called Blog on our site. If we check out this page from the front end, you see it's got a real simple blog, along with some dummy posts, added in. If we click on a post, we can go in and we can edit the individual entry by just tapping on the sidebar right there. Alright, well that's a basic overview. There's a lot we didn't cover in the system, including kind of the files, the people, the marketing tab. That should be enough to get you started with a basic site, and you can kind of play around with the rest of the stuff and see where it takes you. There'll be more tutorials talking about menu systems, importing different themes, how to use the mass mailer, how to use the people tab effectively. We've got lots of stuff coming soon.